All right, so welcome back, people. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, guys are having a good one, and definitely, we're going to discuss football. We're going to discuss football. So, Hallgrimsson, since his tenure, like 2 years, we're going into 2 years now. Two semi-finals. First one, Gold Cup, Mexico, 3-0 loss. Oof. That's how it is. That is how it is sometimes. Second one now, USA. Now, here what's interesting about this particular semifinals. The last time we played against USA, in said Gold Cup, we were in the group stage with them. We drew 1-1. The interesting part about that is, USA had a weaker team. We had a stronger team than the USA. Still drew the game. We were in and about trying to get the result. But based off of how the game play out, yeah. I'll get into that details. A little bit further in that video. I'll get into that details. But what I want to say is, we now have a weaker team going to that semifinals versus USA, who's coming with a stronger team. So what I'm saying basically is this, right? When we played USA, one in the Gold Cup, it wasn't their best team. Yeah, that's just the truth. Now, two, we are going to in Nation League semifinals, and we're going to get against USA, and not at 100%. Some key players, some very, very key players are going to be missing, and we have to get the job done same way. It's very, very important that we get the job done. Extremely important that we do so. So, long introduction. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. So I have my little blue book. I have some details here. We're going to discuss Hallgrimsson's first two semi-finals. One already out of the way, and next one coming up. And also Hallgrimsson's second meeting with the USA team. One already passed, second one upcoming. So as I said, people, please do hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I would thoroughly appreciate it if you guys do so. Now, the last time we played against USA, as mentioned, the game done 1-1. And let me tell you, the two key factor players in that game was Brandon Vasquez for the USA and Damian Lowe for Jamaica. Why are these two players the two key players? Because they are the difference makers. Both of them are the players who scored goal. Yeah, I know the assists which is quite relevant. But a key factor in that game, where regards to the Reggae Boyz, is how we conceded our goal. I believe if you go and watch the replay, if I be honest, the man of the match in that game for us was actually Andre Blake. I know what happens when your goalkeeper is man of the match. Anytime your goalkeeper is man of the match, it meant that you guys were defending quite a lot. No, the statistics in that game, we had like roughly about 38% possession. They had like 62%. Just switch the screen. Just switch the screen here. They had 4 shots on target. We had 3. They had a total of 13 shots. We had 6. They literally double the amount of passes we make, and their passing accuracy, all those things, all those underlying metrics were in favor of them. Not all of them. But importantly, the most important part is the ball going in the back of the net. That's very, very, especially for where competition football is concerned. Now, I believe that Hallgrimsson would have learned from his mistake in that game. And when he realized that the time we concede the goal, legs didn't get tired, we're doing a lot of defending. From minute 1, we're doing a lot of defending. We were holding them out, and we didn't get a lot of chance. But when we do get our few chances, we try to make them count. Now, let me just run through the two incidents that took place in that game. So, on the 12 minutes, 45 seconds, Leon Bailey was dribbling the ball. He was taken down. Demarai Gray with a brilliant delivery inside the danger area. And guess who was there? None other than Damian Lowe, the Flying Dutchman, with a brilliant header to put the Jamaica team 1-up. No, even before that, Andre Blake made 2 pinpoint saves. 2. That's what I wear. Now, here what's here what the big part about that game is. We could have won the game. Because if we had went 2-0 up, I'm not sure if USA would have come back in that game. I do believe that they would have been a little bit more demotivated and maybe would have gone on to top the group. Nonetheless, let's have a look what happened. Let's remember to cast your mind back. Do you remember that? I think it was a set piece. Lambert jump. Player kicked Lambert in the chest. Referee said to the spot. Penalty. Guess who steps up? LB 31 in Aston Villa colours. LB 7 in the Reggae Boy colours. Stepped up confidently. Spot the ball at the penalty spot. Step up. Boom. First shot. Big save by Matt Turner. Follow through. Empty goal with his right foot. And he scruffed it. Yes. Honestly, he scruffed it. But it wasn't done there. That happened in the 28th. I think it was the 28th minute. Let me see if I can catch it. Yeah, in the 28th minute that happened. What I'm saying is, if we had went 2-0 up at that point in time, could Hallgrimsson registered one of his first major victory as in the Reggae Boy colours. Just if Leon Bailey had put that the penalty away. Just saying. Speaking from, speaking from foresight. No. We had to see what happened already. But it didn't happen, unfortunately. But it could have happened. No, I do believe that Hallgrimsson would have learned a lot from that game. The unfortunate aspect is that a lot of those players won't necessarily be the players we'll be going up against. We will be going up against tougher players. The bigger guns will be coming in. The McKenny and these guys will be coming in. The Pulisic and these guys will be coming in. And that is going to make the task very, very difficult. But personally, I believe, as I mentioned earlier, that Hallgrimsson would have learned his lesson from that game. This is his second meeting with the USA team in a short time span. And I strongly believe that since I've seen what Hallgrimsson is doing, he tends to learn fast and he tends to rectify whatever mistake he has made. Now, will we get the job done? That will be an interesting part. I think this is where the player selection is going to be very, very crucial. This player selection will be very, very crucial because I think that we can get the job done. Despite the team that USA will be bringing, we can get the job done. I know we won't dominate possession. Technically, we don't have a team built like that. But nonetheless, if we have players who know to soak up pressure, boom on the counter, we can most certainly get the job done. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Hallgrimsson second match versus USA. Second semi-finals. Big up yourself, Hallgrimsson. Hopefully I make your calls, necessary calls them already. Yeah, well, I hope so that'll happen. But big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. If you are here for the first time, thoroughly appreciate people. Hit the like button. And I'll see you guys again until next time. God bless. We're out. Boom. Ayo. Ayo. Hey. Ayo.